In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks for QuickBooks. Whether you're running a small business or managing your personal finances, ordering checks in QuickBooks is a simple and efficient way to streamline your payment process. With just a few clicks, you can customize your checks to fit your needs and have them delivered right to your door. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial and I'll guide you step by step. First, open QuickBooks on your device. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the New button. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Check. This will open up the check creation interface within QuickBooks. Take a moment to locate the bottom panel of this interface. At the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Order Checks. Go ahead and click that button to proceed to the next step. You'll now be redirected to the QuickBooks check ordering page. On this page, you'll notice a variety of check styles and configurations available. Take your time to browse through the options and find the check type that best suits your needs. This could include standard checks, wallet-sized checks, or even checks with enhanced security features. Once you've found the check style you prefer, select it and choose the quantity you'd like to order. Additionally, you can customize your checks by adding features such as your company logo or selecting a specific format. These options are great for creating a professional look tailored to your brand or personal preference. After finalizing your selections, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your shipping address. Make sure to double-check this information to ensure your checks are delivered to the correct location. Next, you'll need to provide your payment information. Enter your details carefully and securely. Before placing your order, take a moment to review all the order details. Ensure that the check style, quantity, customizations, shipping address, and payment information are all accurate. This is your chance to catch any errors before completing the process. When everything looks good, click the Submit button to finalize your order. That's it. Your checks will be on their way, and you can expect them to arrive based on the shipping method you selected. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.